Hi, welcome back. In this video, we're going to discuss about the SQL constraints in Odoo 17. SQL constraints are defined through the model attribute underscore SQL underscore constraints. This attribute is assigned as a list of triples containing strings, that is the name, the SQL definition, and the message, where name is a valid SQL constraint name, SQL definition is a table constraint, and the message is the error message which is needed to be popped out. So here you can see that I've created a custom module for uh, checking the SQL constraints. So in this custom module that I've created, that is the company management, let me go to the Python file of the custom module. And here in the custom file here, as you can see that I've given the SQL constraints. If you just globally search for the SQL constraints, that is by pressing the Shift Control F, you can see multiple examples regarding the same on how to use the SQL constraints and the syntax of the SQL constraints. So here I have also given a field called code. So this is a field in my model company.employee, and here I want to give the SQL constraints to the field code because I need the value in the code field to be unique. So here, as we have said that I've given the name here, that is the code, that is the field name, and here I've given the SQL definition, and here I've given the message. So this message will be popped out if the SQL code is not this. The code is not the same. Yeah, when saving the record. So after that, let me run the code, and after running the code, let me go to the UI and go to the company management module that I've created. And as you can see, there is already a record here with the code 11. So in order to test whether the SQL constraint is working, let me also create another record with the same code value, that is 11. And let me try to save the record, and you can see the error pop-up message that has been showed here, that is this code already exists. And now let me just try saving the record with another code that is not created, and you can see that we are able to save the record because this is a unique code. And if you just go to the 3 viewer, you can see the both codes are unique. So this is how the SQL constraints work in Odoo 17. That's all for today. Thank you.